Hello and welcome to Rick's RC Flying channel. In this video, I'm just going to quickly show you how I mount my Aileron servos. And this particular wing is the sweet and low wing. And here's the servo in the wing. And what I use to mount it is this particular aluminum mount. They're very nicely machined. These are threaded holes, so very easy to install the servo. Since they're threaded, no fuss, simply screw them in. If you want, you could use a little bit of Loctite if you're, particularly if it's like gas-powered airplane. And it has here two mounting holes, so you simply drop it in. And what I do is at the bottom of the servo mounting tray, I have here two blind nuts installed. This here happens to be a little piece of light ply, and simply bolt it in. Makes for very easy installation. If you require to change a servo or for whatever reason you need to take it out, it's very easy to do. Literally takes just a few minutes. I like using the bolts and the blind nuts. They're just some socket head bolts. I happen to be 440, and I don't really like screwing them in. You can, of course, just screw it into the wood. But anyways, I use blind nuts and the bolts. And something as a rule I do, anything on an airplane I build that could potentially require maintenance or replacement of a part, it's always easy access and easy to service. Anyways, that's the way I do it. And these, by the way, I get these off AliExpress. They're not very expensive. They're just a couple of bucks. They're fairly light. Now there are times I make this out of plywood, a very similar thing, but it's mounted the same way with the blind nuts. So basically a similar design. But these are just so convenient, incredibly strong, and I like the fact that these are threaded. Anyways, I thought I'd quickly share that with you. If you liked the video, please select like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, I always welcome it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.